And welcome to your Friday Extra. Before we get into some very specific details, let me give you a small recap as to what's been going on this week. First, we had our new members breakfast, and really a huge shout out to all the new members that joined us, got to know some of the other businesses that have joined our family, and we really look forward to hosting our next one. So join the membership, join the chamber, and you will get to engage in a fabulous morning time with everyone who's new to our family. Second is a recap of something that I was discussing last week, which is our Redistricting Commission. Again, what does that mean? That means that after the census is taken, those numbers are used to determine the size of all the 51 city council districts across the 5 boroughs. Last night, it was held in the Bronx. We had a pretty decent turnout as far as the hearing. Today, we will get to go to Staten Island and listen to the community there. By the end of next week, the first draft lines for City Council will be provided for additional comments from the community. There's a lot of confusion as to what all this means, but somebody said it perfectly this week. Really what this is all about is an additional 700,000 people have joined our beautiful city. And to keep it fair, one person, one vote, they have to be divided equally among our 51 districts so that when it's time to vote, your voices are heard evenly across our entire city. Make sure to stay in tune to our website that will give all the new dates coming up, and we also give you the link to look at the maps more closely once the draft is released next week. So on to some legislative comments, and you will be getting a lot more information on this, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention. The New York State Department of Financial Services is looking to reduce the fees of check cashing places around the city. I know it seems odd that we're discussing about arguing the decrease in fees, but when you think about it, most of these check cashing places are located in areas that are underbanked. It's a location where community, individuals, residents feel comfortable to go pay their bills, cash their checks, really don't trust the system, and are choosing voluntarily to go to these family institutions to do their financial work. With an impact, as is being proposed right now, that can mean the ending of some of our institutions and small businesses across our 5 boroughs, or actually across the state. This industry employs over 4,000 individuals. Most of them, if not all, work directly in the communities in which they work. This regulation and the opportunity to discuss and put your thoughts to paper will end as of August 15th. So this is just a gist of what we are hearing. Bottom line, if these regulations as proposed go through, we may be looking at detrimental, devastating impacts on our small check cashing businesses that are really considered small business. We'll be providing a lot more information, but this is food for thought. If you really depend on these check cashing institutions, then it's time that your voice be heard, and we will assist you with that further down the line. And on to some more news. Mayor Eric Adams wants to revise regulations for our small business. That is something that is music to our ears. And a part of that blueprint program is the start of a small business advisory commission. Today, the Commissioner Kim and the Department of Small Business Services released their nomination forms for businesses that may be interested in participating in this commission. What are the goals for this commission? Helping the city cut red tape, improving business services, programming, and promoting equitable economic recovery. Super important issues, key information, and we need the assistance of businesses, big, small, and in between, to have their voices heard on this commission. If you are interested in participating, the link for the nomination form is provided below, and also you can also call our offices at 718-828-3900. We will provide more information and the nomination form. As a chamber, this is exactly what we've been wanting. We thank Mayor Adams for pushing this through, and we look forward to working with Commissioner Kim in helping to revise these regulations that have been a burden for our businesses across the city. And to end, July 28th, our summer barbecue. We always want to end on a light note. A lot of people are vacationing, others just need a break, and this is our opportunity to share great food, outdoor fun, and get to network in a great environment. July 28th, RSVP on our website, the link below. This is your Friday Extra. Have an amazing weekend, and we'll see you next week.